Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you on how to solve logarithmic equation. Now the difference of this one from the previous video that I had about logarithmic equation is in the previous video we had first degree equations. The result is a first degree equation. Here what we'll be having is going to be a second degree equation or quadratic. So let's go answer the first example. Alright, so let's condense this one. This is the same as logarithm 3x minus 4 times 2x minus 3 base 7 equals 1. So there are so many things, so many lessons in math, prerequisite subjects in math that you need to understand here. So number one is how do you condense logarithmic expression? The second one is obviously we will be using FOIL method here, that's multiplying binomials. And then the third is factoring quadratic equations. So those are the stuff that we need to understand. Okay? So this time we will multiply 3x minus 4 and 2x minus 3 using the FOIL method. So 3x times 2x is 6x squared. 3x times negative 3 is negative 9x. Negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. And obviously the last terms will give you positive 12. And then equals 7 raised to 1. All right, so now we have an equation that is not in logarithmic form. Let's solve this. This is 6x squared minus 17x. 7 raised to 1 is just 7 rather. So I will subtract 7 on both sides here. Minus 7, minus 7. And that gives us 5, positive 5 equals 0. And then from here, we will use factoring. All right. So usually if I see this kind of factoring, I use the x method. So that's x plus over a, and this is b, and this is your ac. All right. So our a, okay, this is the formula on top. Our a is 6 here. And then our b is negative 17. Our ac is 30. Now the question here is, what are the factors of 30, or two numbers that when multiplied the answer is 30, when added the answer is negative 17. So a pair of number, when you multiply the answer is 30, when added the answer is negative 17. I'm thinking about 15 and 2 here, right? 15 and 2. So negative 2 and negative 15, because that gives us positive 30. And if we add negative 2 and negative 15, that will also give us the second term, negative 17. All right. So let's simplify negative 2 over 6. That's x minus 1/3. So that's 3x minus 1. And then the next one would be x minus negative 15 over 6 is in simplified form. That's 5 over 2. Right? Divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So this is 2x minus 5. So 2x minus 5. Alright, so this is just x equals 5 over 2. X equals 1 over 3. Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, now here we will use the quotient rule to condense this expression, the expression on the left side. So this is logarithm x squared plus 4 over 3x plus 4 base 5 equals 1. Right? Then I will express this into exponential form. That is x squared plus 4 over 3x plus 4 equals 5 raised to 1. And then cross multiply this. So x squared plus 4 equals 5 times 3x is 15x. 5 times 4 equals positive 20. And then I'm going to move everything to the left side. So minus 15x minus 20. I can cross that out. This will be 0 now. So minus 15x minus 20. So x squared minus 15x minus 16. So this is an easy quadratic equation that we can factorize. So we need to find factors or a pair of number that when multiplied the answer is negative 16, when added the answer is negative 15. Of course, you're thinking about 8 and 2. I don't think those are the pairs we're looking. Maybe 4 and 4. No. It should be 16 and positive 1. Now the 16 is negative because the middle term is negative. So plus 1. Therefore, x equals negative 1. You switch the sign of that. X equals 16. So those are the values of x here. All right, so there you go. That's how you solve logarithmic equation. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.